Do you own a school, a private school, a charter school? Are you the principal of a public school? It doesn't matter. Where there's students, there's improvement needed. We have created a workshop just for teachers. This workshop is designed to help teachers learn different strategies and techniques to build relationships with the students, build relationships with their peers, and build relationships with the parents. In every experience, relationship is key. We will discuss with your faculty how to establish that relationship with the students from the first day, from the first moment they enter their class. We will discuss different techniques to practice during class to ensure that the students remain on track, remain motivated, and remain positive so that their learning experience will be successful. It's all about relationships. It's all about acknowledging individuals. It's all about demonstrating to the individuals, whether it's a child, a peer, or parents, that they matter. That's what's missing in some of our classrooms, and we are here to place it right back in position. This class will be conducted virtually or in person, whichever you like. If you're international, we are here for you. Wherever you are in the world, we can jump on Zoom and get this ball rolling. So call us at 954-870-6414. or email us at info@fromtheinsideoutsoe.com. I'm Jackie Vernon Thompson, owner and CEO of From the Inside Out School of Etiquette. We are ready to help your teachers be motivated, excited, and ready to start the new school year. Call us or email us. We're waiting to hear from you.